All right, welcome back, guys, to our discussion of integrating factors by inspection. So we have here our first example for this method. So we will try to solve 5 examples in total. So this will be the first one. So um, last time we have already covered the basic concept used dun sa integrating factor by inspection natin. So we will try now to solve this one. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have an example of x squared plus y squared dx plus xy dy is equals to 0. So as mentioned from our discussion previously, we have step suggestion that we can follow. No? So step 1 is to regroup the terms strategically. So how can we do that? So we can actually distribute yung dx with the two terms inside of it. So let's try that. So, okay. Yeah, that's okay. So we have x squared dx plus y squared dx plus xy dy is equals to 0. Okay? And then, as you can see here, may mga terms na easily integratable. Like the first term, no? It is the same variable na. So if it's the same variable or one variable only, you can actually integrate that easily. Okay, so we can actually now group these two together and then this one solo na siya, no? So we have x squared dx plus dito y squared dx plus xy dy is equals to 0. No? Then we'll try to look for a possible factor na pwedeng ilabas, no? So we can factor out y. So we have y dx plus x dy is equals to 0. Okay? So once you have this na, you try to look for the table of integrating factors shown here, no? However, ano ba yung mga nandyan, no? So, what we can use daw, no? We have this term, no? Y dx plus x dy. As you can see here, y dx x dy, ito yun. Okay? So we can use all of this daw, no? Pero what will be the problem of that, no? The problem is, once you multiply this 4, ano mangyayari doon sa first term natin? It will now be composed of two variables na. So it will be difficult to solve it, no? So, what another differential yung pwede nating maisip na may ganitong solution? Y dx plus x dy. Is it, parang di bang the same siya ng derivative of a product? Okay? So, let's say we have d, u times v. The formula is u dv plus v du. Okay? So, let's say we have xy as our function. What is the derivative of that? That is x dy plus y dx. So as you can see, this term are the same nito, no? So ano ibig sabihin? Exact differential siya ng d or ng derivative of xy. Okay? So let's try to adapt that. X squared dx plus y dxy is equals to 0. Okay? So now, ang magiging problem natin. Ngayon, pag nag-integrate tayo nito mamaya, kailangan daw, in terms ng xy yung variable mo, y lang siya. So you have to indicate or to multiply a number or a letter, a variable, na pwedeng i-integrate together. And what is that? Kung xy to, y lang to, kailangan mo ng another x. And pag nag-multiply tayo ng x sa whole equation, the first term will not be bothered, no? Kasi it's the same variable. Okay? So therefore, we can use the integrating factor natin ay x. Okay? So this particular solution is not pertaining dito sa table na to. It is more on your knowledge dun sa concept ng differential, no? Or how you manipulate the given function. Okay? So, we try to multiply that dito. So, multiply natin x. That will be x cubed dx plus xy dxy is equals to 0. Okay? Now we can now differentiate, integrate rather. So we have here x4 over 4 plus. So, parang this is the case na lang ng integration of u du, no? Okay? So this is our u, xy. Anong derivative niya? Du o dxy. Okay? So, if that is the case, we can just perform yung integration ng power. Okay? So, allow me to move lang this dito sa taas natin. Yeah. So, we have xy squared over 2 is equals to c. So, we try to simplify that by multiplying both side by what? By 4, no? Just to um, simplify it, no? By 4. So, we have x4. This will be 2 xy squared is equals to 4 times c. So, if 4c, so c pa din siya. Okay? So, x4 plus 2x squared y squared is equals to c. So, this can be now your final answer. Or to simplify it further, we can actually factor out x squared. So, x squared plus 2y squared is equals to c. So, this will be our final answer. Okay, so this is our solution for the given differential equation, applying integrating factor by inspection. Okay, so please try to review the step-by-step process and try to recall your differential calculus and also the integral calculus to be able to answer this kind of problem. Okay, so see you guys on the next example. Thank you for watching.